Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. In my music theory lessons, I guide you through every single exercise step by step, working through the ABRSM Grade 1 Discovering Music Theory workbook. In this lesson, I will show you how to apply everything that you've learned so far throughout the entirety of this Grade 1 Music Theory workbook, where we look at music in context. Here you have to apply the knowledge that you've gained so far to answer questions relating back to a piece of music. It's a form of harmonic analysis. You'll find the full lesson for this on my Patreon channel if you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, or you can find the link in the cards in the description box. You'll find sample examples of this lesson at the end of this little video. And once you feel that you're ready to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam, my book, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam, is an exam technique guide helping you to make the best use of your time as you lead up to preparation for your exam, and then making the absolute best use of your time actually on exam day when you're taking the exam, giving you top tips on exam technique. This book is available from Amazon, and you can also find the links to that in the cards and the description box below. Enjoy your studies. Bye. Now in C, we're asked to complete the following two sentences. We've got two questions to answer here by ticking one box for each. So the longest note of the melody is, so let's see, have we got a dotted crotchet, a minim, a dotted minim, or a semi-breve? Well, let's see what the longest note of the melody is. So we've got quavers, which are half a beat. We've got crotchets, 1 beat. We've got a dotted minim here, which is 3 beats, because remember, a minim is 2 beats, and then a dot after a note is half as long again. Half of 2 is 1, so a dotted minim is 3 beats. Nothing longer than that, so here we have a dotted minim in bar 4, so the longest note is a dotted minim. So now we've had a little look at this, I think we're prepared to start answering the questions. So first of all, we're asked to tick the bar number that contains a dotted quaver. So let's just look through and find a dotted quaver. Now, a quaver can be joined with a beam. However, the dot, to be a dotted quaver, must come after the note, not above the note. Remember, this is an articulation marking. This means staccato. That's not a timing issue. That's telling us to play the note detached. We're looking for a dot after a note, not above it. So it needs to be placed correctly. And so here we have a dotted quaver. And that means, if you think a quaver